Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, it's Tuesday. I didn't bring the camera down for Monday because all I did was this handle. And if you watched the last video, I basically showed this. So it was the same thing over and over. And I did do these handles. They're ready to go. All this, but this gets put on hold for a minute because tomorrow I want to heat treat this, which is 52-100. I have these two blades, this one right here, and this one right here, and I have this whole graveyard full of handles, and I put one together, which is probably now apart, but yeah, there's supposed to be a third blade, which was this one, which I heat treated, but then I messed up, and it's way too thin, so when I was on the service grinder, instead of flipping it over, I did the same side by accident twice, and it's like, I took off this whole side of this bevel. That's how thin I got it. Anyway, so yeah, I cut this out last night, so that's what we're gonna start on, shaping it, and hopefully get to the bevel so it'll be ready for heat treat. It's 52-100, just like this is. I'm looking for it and it's in my hand. So yeah, tomorrow's gonna be heat treat, 52-100. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that stuff. I would tell you to go check out my website, but I'm actually sold out, so I gotta get this finished and get these 7 knives up on the website. I've had a few people asking me about how much ones with the Anzo patterns are, so they might not even make the website. I'm rambling, let's do it. The next day, and heat treat oven's cooking up. I put some heat treating videos up one of these corners, whatever corner it is, but I'm not showing any of that. I'm not setting all these cameras up just to dip two. I'm not setting up 2 cameras just for 2 knives. Woo! I gotta catch myself. That was a hard bleep. Alright, here's an A65. These bevels are already at a 120. I'm just refining them down, and yeah, we're good to go. Let's do it. A65. cleared out a bit. They've cooled down. Here's the 65. 65, hopefully it'll show up, but like glass, yeah man. Woo. This one has a few spots, but I think that's just decar, but for the most part, this one skates like glass. There's a few spots it hits, it stops, or when I go off like that, but yeah, it seems pretty good. See, there's a spot right there, it seems to hit, but you know, down here, these things have real thin blade. I don't even know if they want this sharpened, to be honest. Some people have asked not to sharpen it because they don't trust themselves, but all right, back to grinding. So it's Saturday. I keep wanting to say Sunday. I did this last night. I put it in that controversy video. I'll put that up in the cards right wherever it is. Here, there. Anyway, up in the corner. Yeah, I put the new tattoos in there. I gotta dip these. I took them all the way up to a mirror finish. I'm gonna have to dip them to see which ones have the hormones and then go back to 120. So I'm about to dip them all anyway. So, all right, brand new XT A65. Good Lord, I can't talk. So this was off camera. I don't know what happened. There was like a little chip. This was that knife that gave me all the problems in the first place. Ever since I made it, man, you can see how much smaller it is here. Remember, it had a big fat handle. I had to make it back. If you watch that last playlist thing, I guess it was Grind Fest, but yeah, I found a little chip in it and it's not gonna make a good blade, so this is now garbage. First time, probably not first time, but I don't remember. It's been a long time since that's happened. Happens to the best of us. Yeah, and this one was giving me problems back here anyway, so I went and made the choil bigger. Man, it's like, man, once a knife has one problem, it's a nightmare from there on out. All right, Trizax and Norzax and... We're up to a 30 on this bad boy. It's actually Sunday night. I just finished giving a girl I know a tattoo, a big old leopard skin, like down her shoulder and all that. I put a little video here, but there won't be no sounds because we were listening to music and anyway. All right. A30, let's get this bad boy rocking, then we'll get the compound grinds on. Well, A30, then 2000, or no, A30, then the Norak X16, and then a 2000. finishes. I gotta go dip these and see which one has the hamon, and go back to the A65 for the one that doesn't have the hamon. And I should have been paying attention, but I got all carried away and busy and all that. So mirror finishes. Next, I gotta get on this Dexter knife and clean it all up. And I'll probably clean up this blade too while I'm at it. And then dip these and see where we go. And yeah, so that's about it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. I have a few people hitting me up asking me when these knives are going to be done. So I got Kydex left on them and sharpening. And after that, I dip them and all that. But yeah, so when I have a bunch of knives up, no one wants them. Now that I don't have any knives up, everyone wants them. All right, I still got shirts on there and Amazon links down in the description, stuff like that. I'll make sure to put some playlist right here. I haven't figured it out yet. And my website's right there. All right, hope you all having a great day. And as always, take it easy.